corner. It's Jake O'Connor's corner, yeah.
Hello everybody, we are in beautiful Gulf Shores, Alabama today, and we are here with Jacob. Something's in his pocket. What are we doing today, Jacob?
Look all this stuff that we caught.
We've been catching stuff in the ocean? Let's let the kids see.
Look at this is sand dollar. Look at that.
Sand dollar's alive, isn't it?
These all the live creatures.
We got clams, we got a little horseshoe crab thing, which I think is like a sand flea. We got a bunch of snails.
And
Pick up the that big white thing, that like sand flea or whatever it is.
It's not sand flea.
I think it's called. Did it bite you?
No, it just was rambling on me.
He's swimming around. Let's show the kids what
He's
he's
rambling on me. He's rambling.
Reese.
He's rambling on me.
Reese is trying to go to the ocean by himself, kids. He's not supposed to.
Yeah. He's rambling.
Let's see, Jacob. Can you get him?
Yeah, he's rambling. Look at him.
There he is. Let's see your hand. Turn your hand around so the kids can see.
That's the bottom of him.
I'll put him back in the water so he stays alive. Reese, what do you see, Reese?
Look at this huge one.
Reese is an airplane, guys.
This is the biggest clam we ever caught
Jacob
today.
caught a giant clam and a bunch of snails. You can see one right here climbing up.
Look, they have suction cuts on them.
They do. So let's cover them back up.
Look at all these things.
Bunch of little shells. All right, Reese is getting away from me. Cover them back up so they're not in the sun. And we're not keeping them, are we? We're just going to hang out with them for a little bit and explore them later. Then we're going to set them free before we go.
Yeah.
But we're out of the ocean today. And we're coming down here and we're collecting. There's a huge hole somebody dug and out was sitting there.
Yeah.
Whoop. Reese, tumble. Come on, Reese. All right, kids, well, we're going to look in the ocean a little bit more and see what we can find. So we got to be safe at the ocean because the ocean's a dangerous place to play. So I'm going to keep an eye on the kids, and then we'll come back in a little bit and we'll show everybody what we found. Right, Jacob?
Yeah.
See you later, kids. Sitting here making sure Reese is safe. We gotta be safe in the ocean, kids. Bird over there. He's trying to find clams and eat them too. I think he wants to come eat out of your bucket. He said that bucket will be a buffet. Here's Jacob trying to find stuff. Reese is exploring the water. Trying to chase the bird, kids. Birdie's not going to let you catch it, baby. got?
See snails.
Oh, let me get him. Hold on, stop moving, stop moving. Cool.
No,
What else you got in here? You gotta watch your coconut. The kids can't see.
Okay, let's grab a sand dollar.
Oh yeah, let's show them the sand dollar.
What's this? What's that? That's okay. Ooh, what's this?
You got one? You got the sand dollar?
No. Sand dollar.
All right, put it in your hand on your palm so the kids can see it.
Look what it looks like on the bottom of
Hold
it.
on, can you keep them still so we can see?
Yeah, it looks like that looks
See all
like
the little hairs on them, kids? That means he's alive. Pretty cool.
it looks well.
What else did you get in there?
I want to put something else. I got a few things. He's under here. What else is here? What we got? What else is there? There's my hair.
A lot of snails, huh? How about that sand flea? Can you show the kids the sand flea?
Yeah, that's what he's fishing for. Oh, like what? There he is. Look.
There he is. Pretty cool. Can we see the bottom of him?
Mm-hmm.
Oop, there you go. He just keeps rolling back over. Cool. Put him back in the water.
No, I can't get him. I can't.
Okay, put him back in the water, buddy.
Look at him. He's loving.
Yeah, put him back in the water because he's probably scared.
Okay.
Let me show the kids. Watch your coconut. Let's just show them what's in here one last time because we got to go set them free, don't we, Jacob?
I need to show him look what it looks like when he's open.
I think we have a video of him being open down there, which was pretty cool. All right, let's get one last look, kids. Very cool. Let's go set them free.
Bye.
You ready to go set them free? Let's go.
Look at these.
Ocean's beautiful today, kids. Let's go, Jacob.
Whoa, cool.
All right, Jacob, set them free. Put water in it. Make sure everything gets out safe. Fill it with water, Jacob.